Hello everyone, welcome to Edurself. In this video, I quickly would like to let you know when is a good time to request backlinks. The simple answer is after 1 or 2 months of time from the website build date, from the website creation. And why we should not build backlinks immediately. I will tell you the very first thing is domain trust issues. Imagine that we have bought a new website. I want to take Click and Capture Studio as an example. The Click and Capture Studio website is a new domain and we have just bought it, and now we have to develop the website. Imagine that we are getting the backlinks from other websites. We are focusing on the backlinks in parallel to building the content of the website. Now what the Google bot will think about Click and Capture Studio? It will think like the website is new, they have just purchased the domain, but they are getting the backlinks, which means the reference from other websites. How is it possible? The Google bot will think that these people are doing some kind of spammy practices. They are buying the backlinks from other websites, so we have to be too cautious about this website. And when the Google bot think like that, what will happen? It will badly affect the website credibility, right? So always remember that the very first thing after you bought the website, you have to focus for the very first month is you have to build the high quality content. You have to create each and every pages, home page, services page, and you have to write some blogs and about us, and then you have to build the book now page, something like that. In each and every page, you have to first focus on the keywords for your website. And then the second thing, keep a high quality images. That's not really enough. For each and every image that you have on your website, you have to keep an alt text so that the Google bot will understand what is your website about. And keep the internal links wherever possible. Let it be in the blog, let it be in the pages. I will give you a very quick example for an internal link and why it is so much useful. Now quickly I want to navigate to the blog, and in the blogs page we have written one of the blog related to South Indian bridal reception look. And when I open this blog, we have the content, we have the images, and if I scroll down a little bit, I clearly see that there are buttons, right? Which means the internal links. Now when I click on the book your session now, it will take us to the Click and Capture Studio contact page, the book now page. So always remember that keeping the internal links in the pages or the blogs of our website is very much important. And now in the very first month, when we focus on building a high quality content inside the website, and that is the time in the very second month we have to start focusing on building the backlinks. So what is the timeline for the backlinks? First month we know, right, we have to focus on content creation, and in the second month we have to start building the backlinks gradually. And always remember that in the second month focus on getting only 5 to 10 high quality backlinks from a very good websites, and that is really enough. And then in the third month I want you to focus on building the authority of your website with the high quality backlinks. You can get n number of backlinks from a very good websites. I hope you have clearly understand the timeline for the backlinks. So the final thing that I would like to discuss in this video is I want to talk about the best practices to request backlinks. The very first thing is quality versus quantity. What does it mean? Always remember that the quality is very much important than quantity. Having more than hundreds of bad website backlinks to our website is not good at all. Having just 10 very good high quality backlinks, the quality is very much important when it comes to Google bot's perspective. So I want everybody to focus only on the quality versus quantity, and do not buy the backlinks so many at one time. When you do that, Google bot will think that you are purchasing the backlinks from someone, because a lot of backlinks cannot come all at once, right? And if Google bot thinks in that way, it will definitely affect the website credibility. So try to avoid spamming and focus on these best practices. And if you have any questions in this particular video, I want you to write down in the comment section below. I will answer each and every one of your questions. And also, just in case if you are new to my channel and if you want to learn digital marketing from the very basics, I want you to navigate to Edurself playlist digital marketing. There you can find each and every video of digital marketing from the very basics. I did more than hundreds of videos, and I'll see you in the next video shortly. Thank you so much.